Hello, welcome back to WINFXTRADING YouTube channel, the only channel that has been optimized to make you rich trading the Forex synthetic market. In today's video, we shall discuss Forex trader must put this into consideration before opening positions for consistent profit. Okay, we start to list these things you must put into consideration if really you want to make consistent profit and become a multi-millionaire trading the Forex market. Okay, I'm not going to explain each of them, but I'm going to list them so that you bear it in mind while trying to take a trade. But these are actually explained with accuracy and deep insight in any of my Forex synthetic courses. Check down the description of this video. You will see a link to a website that will direct you where you will see the list of the courses, and you can chat me directly on Telegram so that you start your enrollment. Okay, so those things that you should bear in mind include change of trend test, change of character test, nature, swing, interaction, nature of swing, interaction, volume or momentum level, Friday, Monday effect, pre-market plan based on past week assets traded, pre-market plan based on past week assets traded, significance of occurrence of proposed signal, significance of occurrence of proposed signal, polarity or binary effect of DSY index, Dirac data vector function on USD base, opening position sequence based on price action as a control to cut losses and counter signals, time selection of one profitable asset. Okay, time selection of one profitable asset. I'm not going to be explaining this because if I explain it, then I'm compromising my courses. You know, the difference between celebrity content or educational free educational content, or like this is not a financial advice. Okay, there's difference between those and a premium course whereby you are tailored and you are activated to actually 100% effectively practice what you are taught and use it to become somebody in life. Thank you. Take action, join VIP, enroll for our courses, and you will see you will never remain the same in the financial world. Bye for now.